Hi guys, enjoy 老头子 here.
Hi guys, Sun here.
Welcome to Beginners Cooking. Hi everybody, it's me again, enjoy 老头子 here. So today I want to teach you guys cook some easy, very tasty steam egg.
Steam egg?
Yes, steam egg, but not the kind for the steam egg you say.
Oh, but still is steam egg, right?
No, I already let you know, not the kind the steam egg for you say.
Okay, I already know what should I do.
Wait, what do you do?
Music!
Wait! PPAP. I have a steam. I have an egg. Wake up, you idiot! Watch and learn.
It's 10 minutes, cannot more than 1 minute, because more than 1 minute, the food is not tasty already, okay? Enjoy? I think they already know.
Shut up!
Hey, enjoy.
What?
Do you know our channel is not so much people to get some like and subscribe?
Oh.
What the hell, man? After I do this all the hard work in this video, you guys didn't give some comment and like and subscribe. What are you doing, man? What are you thinking? Hey, enjoy. Cool down. Get calm, cool down, man. Cool down. Hey guys, hurry up to get some subscribe and comment and like. Hurry up, man. Hurry up.
This job, I know.
Knock it off. Enjoy. Cool down, man.